Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transform Ethereum into KUMA. First of all, you gotta go and open CoinMarketCap, and then you go to this search bar and write KUMA. These steps will help you to find the contract address of this token, and guys, please check the name and everything to not get scammed. Now we copy the address by clicking on this icon, and if it shows up like that, that means you are ready to go. And then you have to go to Uniswap, click on this launch app, and you connect your wallets. This platform has multiple choices of wallets. They have metamask, wallet connect, coinbase wallet, formatic, and parses. So guys, you can use whatever you want, but in this tutorial we are going to use metamask. For those who doesn't have it, you can just download it. Very easy, very simple, by just voicing metamask.io and download this right now. Then you come back to the platform and you connect your wallet. Make sure guys that you are on Ethereum main network and you are ready to go. Now you have to import the token by just clicking on this import tokens and click on custom tokens and pass the address right here. Now you have all the information filled up automatically and click on add custom tokens. Now you have the KUMA added in your wallet. You can see it, and yeah, that's it. Now we go back to Uniswap. You add the token here, right here, click the token, click the address, import token, import, and here you go. Now we are ready to transform between Ethereum into KUMA and KUMA into Ethereum. And please guys, make sure that you are using CoinMarketCap or something that you think that it is very safe, because there is a lot of scams, and to prevent scams guys, I really suggest that you are using CoinMarketCap for this. And that was the tutorial. Please guys, leave a like and comment, and if you want more tutorials, please leave a subscribe to see the future videos. See you guys.